5:30 p.m. I walk home from college, and Seagull. A seagull! Hi, Seagull. I'm like, no, like it's a seagull, whatever. And then it unhinges its jaw and makes this horrible sound. And then it fires a laser at me. And I narrowly escape. It nearly charred me to pieces. A seagull. I run far, far away. Pigeon. Hi, pigeon. Please don't shoot me with a laser. BLAM! 2 lasers from its eyeballs create a mini explosion at my feet. Start trailing towards me. I run fast. I soon make it home. I make it home in one piece. Today, there have been no seagulls or pigeons. But something about birds is just... horrifying. Do you have a story you'd like to share with these things? I'm so sorry that happened to you.